guys, it's Jelisa and I'm back with another video. If you're new, welcome, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you'll never miss another upload. If you're not new, welcome back. First off, this eye look I did with the Boss Mood palette by Morphe, the 35M palette. I absolutely loved it. That video will be coming up hopefully this week, if not next week, but I'm gonna push forward and try to get that video up for you guys this week. But go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you like this look. Here it is. But this video is a video of a couple things that I got from Bath and Body Works. All right, I got my receipt down here. Let's see. Okay, they were $12.95. So I got these candles when they were $12.95 a piece. And I just want to show you guys the candles that I got. I love Bath and Body Works candles, but I just cannot afford to pay $25 per candle. I really can't afford this $12, $13 candle, but hey, you know, we gotta do it. So the first candle that I got, and I have been burning it, this is I believe my second or third one, is a Marshmallow Fireside. Guys, I can't say enough good things about this candle. This is the first candle I bought from Bath and Body Works. Oh, it smells just like what it says, Marshmallow Fireside. Marshmallow Fireside. Okay, this is the closest I get to warm brown. Like, is that, you know what I'm saying, like those warm smells. This is the closest I can get to it. Like, after this, I can't take it. Like, it makes my stomach sick. Like, I don't like pumpkin pecan waffles. A lot of people like that one. I can't deal with it. It says toasted marshmallows, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla, crystallized amber. So can you imagine that smell? If you don't know what this smells like, go to Bath and Body Works and smell it. This is a favorite of pretty much everybody. Marshmallow Fireside, I love it. Absolutely love it. So get this candle if you don't get another one. Oh my gosh. The second candle that I just can't live without, and I'm so mad with myself that I did not get this last year, because I was like, I don't know about that. Is the hot cocoa and cream. Oh, what have I been doing with my life? I have pretty much almost burnt this up. I'm almost done with this candle. Like, only two of the little things light up now because it's burnt down so low. Get the chocolate one too. These two together, I burn them together. It's just like a chocolate dream. They go really good together. So get these two, guys. I forgot I love this one too. So hot cocoa and cream. Love them. So another one that I purchased was the Black Cherry Merlot. I keep saying to all of them because they smell so good. This smells like black cherry. Like literally black cherry, and it's a sweet smell. It's a very sweet smell. So if you don't really like sweet, I don't know, you may not like this. It says dark cherry, black raspberry, sumptuous Merlot with essential oils. It's a strong black cherry type of smell, but it can be a little bit overwhelming. And can we talk about this packaging? I love this packaging, guys. So cute. It's so like, I don't know, sophisticated, and like, it's not too much, but just enough to look really kind of like classy and mature. I just love this packaging. Oh no. Cactus Blossom. so good. Y'all, I'm saying all of them smell so good because I'm not gonna get it unless it smells that good. Like, this is my second one of this one. It's not too strong. It's just, it's a really, to me, it's a really pretty smell. Let me just read you what it says. Okay. It says cactus flower petal, sun-kissed coconut, vanilla, fresh sparkling lemon with essential oils. It's just a fresh, really, really pretty smell. My next bag. So my next candle, oh, this one right here is like a, these names are like right on point. It says magic in the air. And it smells like a really fresh, sweet cotton smell. A little bit maybe vanilla. Magic in the air smells like magic in the air. This top is gorgeous. I love it. It's so pretty. It's like got pearls. I love pearls, y'all. That's all I wear. It has little rhinestones and the background is glitter. And last but not least, I picked up blueberry maple pancakes. Guys, once again, this smells just like blueberry pancakes with like some maple syrup. I love this candle. And then it's blue. It makes me want some pancakes. The fragrance note says wild blueberries, griddle fresh pancakes, and warm maple syrup. Dead on the head with this smell. Delicious. And y'all need to really be checking y'all's emails because I also got 20% off of excuse me, my first order. Like, I went twice, so I got 20% off my first order of these candles. Why did I say order? My first purchase, because I went in store and got these candles. So I got 20% off my first purchase of these candles. On to BODYWORKS part. So I went and they were having their $6 like body lotions and sprays. So I purchased a couple body lotions, and the first one that I want to talk about is 1,000 Wishes. It's a sweet, more perfumey type of smell. Okay, it says pink prosecco, sparkling quince, I hope I said that right, crystal peonies, gilded amber, and amaretto cream. The next one is bourbon, strawberry, and vanilla. And these are also with shea butter and vitamin E. So this one is a strawberry and cream with kind of a twist. And I guess that is the bourbon parts of it. If you're into strawberries and cream, this is your lotion. The next one is called Snowflakes and Cashmere. This is kind of like a vanilla-y, cashmere vanilla type. I guess that's the snowflake. So the vanilla part is the snowflake, and then the cashmere is that kind of, not burnt, but like a sweet, caramelly type of smell. It says cashmere cream, shimmering vanilla, frosted clementine, amber, caramel wood. So yes, this is like a fall, really warm, and I don't know. This is screaming fall to me. So you'll smell like sweets and like caramelly, vanilla-y if you get this one. I really like this one too. Alright, so guys, I like that candle so much, the magic in the air, that I had to get the lotion. And I already explained what it smelled like. Like, yes, this is the lotion for that. And then I got Velvet Sugar. It says, savor every moment as you indulge in this sweetly sumptuous blend of red velvet cream and golden plum laced with a swirl of sugared musk. This is getting bougie. Pink jasmine and wild strawberries. Too much is never enough. So yeah, that's a really pretty smell. Kind of like that Cactus Blossom candle. And guys, last but not least, Mad About You. So guys, that's it for this haul. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And also, subscribe to Bath & Body Works email, because that is where I get a lot of my updates on their sales and what's going on, what's new. I'm looking out for you girls and guys. So yes, go ahead and do that and subscribe to my channel. So I'm about to get ready to go to work. So that is the end of the video. And as always, I love you guys and be blessed.